It is a special day. Here comes the phone. Happy birthday.
These are for you. Thank you, Daddy. Happy birthday, Anna. Wow, the cake looks amazing.
Welcome, friends. Good morning. It's breakfast time.
Good morning, Mary. What are you making for breakfast?
I'm making pancakes and eggs. It smells amazing. Tom, do you know the date today? It's 1st March.
Oh, it's 1st March. Let's check. Yes, Mary, you are right. Today is 1st March. It is a special day.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad. Why are you so happy today?
Today is Anna's birthday.
Oh, no. I forgot Anna's birthday.
Let's go and surprise Anna.
A surprise? Really?
Yes, it'll be fun.
Okay.
Yay, let's go.
Yay, birthday. It's time to wish Anna.
Yeah, let's go.
Happy birthday to Anna. Happy birthday to Anna. Happy birthday to you. May you have many more. May you have many more. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much, Mommy, Daddy, and Tom, for the birthday wish. Mommy, we are so hungry. Yeah, Mommy, so hungry. Hungry. Breakfast is ready.
Okay, but first go and brush your teeth, Tom and Anna.
Up and down, left and right, make your teeth clean and white. Up and down, left and right, make your teeth clean and white. The breakfast looks so yummy. Yeah, it looks so yummy.
I'm glad you think so, sweetie.
Best breakfast ever, right?
Where is my birthday cake, Daddy?
It's a surprise, sweetie.
Anna, which cake you like?
Mommy, I want a Barbie cake. Can my friends come to the birthday, Daddy? Yeah, can my friends come too?
Yes, friends can come to the birthday party.
Yay! Thank you, Dad!
Finish your breakfast fast, then go with Daddy to get the cake.
Yay, cake! I'm eating fast. Me too. Let's go get the cake.
All right, team, eat up and we'll go.
Daddy, we are ready.
Let's go to buy birthday cake.
Let's go, Tom and Anna. Wow, so many cakes.
The cakes look so yummy.
Hi, welcome. How can I help you?
We are looking for a birthday cake.
We have many cakes in our shop. Let me show you one by one. I have a chocolate cake. It has strawberries on top. I hope you like it. I have a pineapple cake. I hope you like it. It's made with fresh pineapple. I have a strawberry cake. It is very delicious. The strawberries are so fresh and juicy. And I have a cheesecake full of cheese inside. Look at that, so rich and creamy.
These cakes are very good, but I am looking for a Barbie cake.
Nice choice. I have a special Barbie cake for you. We have a special Barbie cake, and it has a Barbie toy on it.
Daddy, I like this cake. I want this cake for my birthday, please.
Please pack this cake and also add some candles too.
Thank you, Daddy. I love you so much. Mommy, you're back. Come here and see my birthday cake.
Look at this beautiful cake. It's perfect for the party. Time to take you upstairs where the magic will happen. Almost there.
Tom, Anna, get ready for the birthday party.
Okay, Daddy. Wow, beautiful dress, Mommy. Thank you so much. Wow, I look like a princess. I am ready, Mommy. I look so cool today.
Wow, my son is looking like a hero. He's so brave and strong, just like a true hero. I'm so proud of him.
Kids, where are your friends?
We're waiting for our friends. They'll be here soon, Daddy. Hello, we are here for Anna's birthday party.
Welcome! Come in.
Yes, please come in.
Happy birthday, Anna. Your cake looks amazing and yummy.
Happy birthday to Anna. Happy birthday to Anna. Happy birthday to you.
Wow, the cake looks amazing.
It really does. Let's cut it.
All right, everyone, dig in.
Yummy! It's so good!
I'm glad you like it.
Woof, woof.
This is your birthday gift, Anna. Your birthday party was so good. Thank you, friends, for coming. Bye.
This is your birthday gift from Mom and Dad.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Daddy. Tom, where's my birthday gift?
Anna, I forgot to buy your birthday gift.
Oh, it's okay, Tom.
I am joking, Anna. This is your gift. Thank you, Tom. You are my best brother. Anna, I am so excited to see your gifts.
Settle down, buddy. Let's see what she has.
I can't wait to see.
Sweetie.
Wow, a doll. Yay, you got it.
A beautiful doll for our beautiful girl.
Ooh, a little piano. I love it. Listen to this. This is the best birthday ever.
Anna, can I keep one of your gifts?
No, I will not give them to you. It is my birthday. These gifts are for me.
Anna, always share your gifts with your brother and friends.
Sorry, Dad. I will share my gifts with my brother and friends. Yay, it's time to learn!
Okay, Tom and Anna, what are the 2 lessons you learned today?
Always share your toys with others.
Always invite your friends to birthday party.
Always listen to your mom and dad.
Okay, friends, it's time to say goodbye. Tell us in comments what's your favorite cake. Goodbye.